This week, the People's Bank of China responded to a surging demand for the digital currency Bitcoin in the country banning financial institutions from trading in it. As Joao da Silva reports, despite fears that the electronic money is now a speculative bubble, some Hong Kong people are jumping on the Bitcoin bandwagon.
Global Bond Limited, a name that should send chills down the spine of anyone buying into the latest digital currency frenzy. Weeks ago, the Hong Kong-registered Bitcoin trading platform vanished from the internet with an estimated $31 million from thousands of clients. It's just one case among many, but it's not deterring others from hopping onto the Bitcoin bandwagon. And recently, the founder of the city's first online Bitcoin exchange saw its customer base double in just a matter of weeks.
It's growing very fast. In last month, we have about 1,000 new register in our website.
Real money such as Hong Kong dollars for digital coins, Bitcoins. That's the service that these websites are providing to customers. The promise of vast and quick profits is tempting. The price of Bitcoin has surged dramatically in recent months. And despite all the volatility, there are people who firmly believe it's either digital gold or a tool for economic revolution.
How can I send a gold coin to Finland in under 5 minutes? I can't do that. So Bitcoin has got all of the features of a strong currency. It's got a store of value, it's fungible, it's a unit of exchange.
It's very fast. It doesn't need an intermediary. Right now, like WikiLeaks and Edward Snowden, they very much rely on Bitcoins because the government would, seize their accounts immediately.
2 electronic devices, an internet connection, and you can transfer Bitcoin to another person or business in just a few seconds, no matter where they are in the world. That's for close to non-existent transaction fees.
That's how easy and cheap it is to transfer Bitcoin, an asset that has seen a dramatic surge in value and in media attention in recent weeks. But is this 21st century gold rush based on sound economic fundamentals, or is it just another bubble waiting to burst?
Beyond the dangers inherent to any internet transaction, financial market analyst David Webb says Bitcoin is nothing but a fad.
You can buy them just like you would buy a lottery ticket, but I wouldn't place any higher value on it than that.
Webb explains that Bitcoin is bound to meet the fate of other speculative manias because people buying into the Bitcoin rush are mainly hoarding it instead of actually spending it.
They'll look around the room and see that everyone's got their hands in their pockets holding their Bitcoins and not actually spending them. And that therefore that's the acceptance as a currency will never happen. And then the speculative bubble would collapse.
Although for enthusiasts there is no ceiling to Bitcoin's potential value, to David Webb it's very clear. When it hits the bottom, all Bitcoin holders will be left with are just digits on a computer screen. Joao da Silva, TVB News.